For those who have acid problem like gastric acid problem and some other problems in the stomach, we can have something to be consumed in our body in order to support our healthy body, and we can fight that acid problem very easily by having a glass of tea, or even better, to deal with those acid problems. Those acid problems can be solved with maintaining a good diet and exercising, choosing a better and healthier food, consuming good food, or taking guidance. We can go to a suitable positive place that's limiting our options, something to make us go better, avoiding higher level of acid. Obviously, we can't allow having too much of anything because we may consume something that might trigger high acid levels. We might have been doing something like that against good diet or incorrectly consuming food in the wrong way. When we drink or we are having a weight gain problem, that time we have to be very careful about acid problems. For those who have acid problems, or we have to be very careful about how to maintain our bodies in spite of this problem. To make our bodies stronger, we need to make sure that the kind of diet that we eat, the kind of food that we eat is very, very good in quality. And also we have to make sure that the diet is very strict, and it should be a complete diet. Like, for example, you should eat less oily food, you should eat more of proteins, nutrients and minerals. Also, you should make sure that you do not eat vitamin C in your diet. Actually, oranges have a lot of vitamin C in them, so you should make sure that you don't eat a lot of oranges. You should have some kind of a option for oranges, like you can have other kind of fruits which have less quantity of acid in it. You can ask your doctor actually. Choose something that can make us to be a healthier person, more fit and more useful. And acid can come from our stomach. When we have a acid problem in our stomach can become very sensitive. Stomach is all about what you eat. What we eat will impact on our stomach to a great extent. So if we can overcome this acid problem, it will be a great thing for us. For that, we need to actually have a good lifestyle, or we have to keep doing kind of like activities which are very good for our health and for our acid problems. Because exercise releases a lot of sweat, and the sweat can cure your body problems to a great extent. So make sure that you always go for exercises. You see, stomach is a very sensitive part of the body, and it is very important that your stomach remains always very healthy, because a disease comes when your stomach is in some kind of a problem and in improper condition and is not working properly. So always remember to keep your stomach very healthy. So always eat healthy. And acidity is one of the biggest problems that is faced by our stomach. So if you keep your acid levels in check, then your stomach will also be healthy, and your overall health condition will be very good. So unless we properly take good care of our health, we will not be able to be healthy. Anyone should be able to manage his own acid problem. It is not a very difficult thing, believe me. So as I said before, you should just avoid stuff that increases your acidity. You should ask your doctor that what kind of stuff has acid levels to a great extent, because food stuff that has a high level of acid levels will increase your acidity problems for sure. So the main problem of acidity is that it creates a lot of burning sensation in the stomach area. So you have to make sure that whatever you eat is always very healthy, is cool, and it does not leave any kind of burning sensation in your stomach. So you have to make sure that when you have acidity, you are very careful about the kind of food stuff that you are consuming. And the main other problem of acidity is formation of gas. It forms a lot of gas in your stomach area. Also, the main problem of acidity is that it creates a burning sensation in the chest. So the first point that you have to take care of acidity is by sleeping at the right time. Also, you have to always eat proper, and you have to do everything according to a schedule. You should not go awry from your schedule at any cost, because acidity can become a very serious problem if it is not taken care of at the right time. So also make sure that you sleep at the right time. That is very important, because acidity increases during the night time only. So sleep at the right time regularly.